Imagine turning on the news one day and learning that a meteor is hurtling toward Earth. Astronomers predict a 60% chance it's going to strike your hometown. The damage it creates is going to be catastrophic, and you have 5 days to prepare. What will you do? Will you acknowledge the risk and do nothing? Or will you act to protect you and your family? Well, to my knowledge, a meteor is not hurtling toward your hometown. But the risk you face from a catastrophic health event is the same if you're over the age of 65. Statistically, 60% of those over the age of 65 will need long-term care sometime in their life. Now, what do I mean by long-term care? Medicare covers acute care. This is if you have an injury, something that is imminent, something that is happening now. That's what Medicare covers. Long-term care is custodial care. This is something like after you've had a stroke and you're going through rehab. It's going to take time. You're going to need help. This is what I mean by long-term care, custodial care. Oftentimes, custodial care is given in a nursing home, but 80% of the time it's actually given in your own home. And most of the time, the caregivers are your spouse or your children, but they may need some extra help. What's the impact of that? Financially, if you don't have enough income to pay for your care, you're going to have to tap into your retirement accounts. Well, if you're drawing income off those retirement accounts and you're starting to reduce the amount in there, your income's going to decrease, which means you have to draw out more savings. I'm sure you know of people who have spent their life savings paying for long-term care. Sadly, the biggest impact is what it has on family relationships. Family relationships are strained. Caregivers grow tired. Others who may be living miles away feel frustrated, unable to help. And some may try to dictate to the caregivers how to give you care. Then, if your children have families of their own, how's caring for you impacting their family relationships? It's a tough situation. What you need to do, what I pray that you do, is prepare for the event of long-term care happening in your family. I'm passionate about protecting families financially and relationally. That is why I urge you to make preparations in the event that you need long-term care. Insurance options include long-term care insurance, life insurance, or annuities that have provisions for long-term care. You may have heard that long-term care insurance is expensive, not when you compare it to providing care. And I can usually find a plan that fits your budget. If you would like to learn more about long-term care insurance and your insurance options, please give me a call at 888-471-4497 or send me an email there in the information boxes. Love to be able to talk with you, find out what your specific needs are, and then we can find a plan that'll protect you, your family, and your retirement accounts.